Good morning students, class 6. So after Puja vacation, your new chapter is going to start. You have enjoyed a lot. Now again come to studies. So your new chapter is water. This is very easy chapter, one of the easiest chapter. So you have already start reading, I hope so. What is water? You know from the very junior class. Water is one of the essential component which we need. All living organisms, they need water. Without that, human cannot survive. Water plays a great role in our life. We have seen that in every food component, certain percentage of water is present. And in normal way, we can say water is used for washing clothes, water is used for cleaning, water is used for cleaning utensils, for cooking food. Numerous use of water is there. I don't have to say the uses. You have seen all these uses at your home. You drink water, water helps in the digestion of the food, water helps to keep the temperature of your body at a normal temperature. It helps in the transportation of food, it helps in the process of digestion in that way. So it has lots of importance in our life. Today we are going to learn about presence of water, that in the earth crust where water is present and what is the percentage of different water present in various places. In the universe we cannot say that water is present in a large amount, but in the earth crust you know that 3/4 of the earth crust is made up of water, and that is also where in seas and oceans. Land is less as compared to the water present in the earth, that you know already from the very junior classes you are learning. So whatever is the total amount of water, suppose 100% water, what water is present in the earth crust, I am considering it as 100% water. Out of that 100% water, 97.4% of water is present in ocean and seas. And that water is saline water. Saline water means salty water. You might have gone to various places near to the sea or ocean. You might have gone to Puri, Vizag and these kind of places. There you might have enjoyed the bath, you have taken bath in the sea water. So by chance the sea water may have entered inside your mouth. So how much salty, have you tested it? I hope you have tested. So that salty water we cannot utilize for our general purposes. It is such salty that if more water, if you engulf, that is the sea water, if you are going to drink by mistake in a large amount, definitely vomiting will start. You cannot digest that saline water. So you have to vomit. Automatically vomiting will occur. And that saline water cannot be used for the useful purposes also. For various purposes for which water is needed at your home, you cannot use that saline water. Saline water means the water containing common salt, dissolved salt in it. So I have drawn the structure here. This is known as pie graph. A graph in which I am showing that how much water is present where. So this is a pie graph where I have drawn that this portion, 97.4% of water, this is your sea water. This portion is your sea water. And I have written also, out of total water present on the earth, 97.4% of water are saline water, which we are unable to use. Okay. So what is the left amount? If I subtract 97.4 from 100, I am getting 2.6%. So that means this 2.6% of water we can use for our own purposes. Okay. Now another surprising fact is that out of this 2.6% of water, only 0.01% of water is present as fresh water. Fresh water means the water present in lakes, rivers, which we can use. Okay, lakes, rivers, which we can use. Okay, and 2.6 minus 0.01%, that means 1.59% of water is found in polar caps as glaciers and as ground is available for drinking. So 97.4 minus 0.01 is 1.59%. This water is present in the form of polar ice. In higher mountain, you might have seen, means it is not possible for you to go, but you might have seen in TV or in photographs that in higher mountain the caps are covered with ice. Those are called polar caps, or they are present in the form of glaciers in polar region. So they are fresh water, but it is in the form of ice, so we cannot use it. And some water is present in the form of groundwater also. Groundwater means inside the earth crust, the water seeps down or goes down and deposited there. Groundwater generally we take out in the form of tube well, or by using machine we take the water and store it in the tank in our house. You might have motors in your house through which the water comes out from the ground and stored in the tank. So actually I want to say that what is the real percentage of water available for us to be used as fresh water. Only 0.01% that is available in the river, lakes, etc. as fresh water. And nowadays this water is also getting polluted due to human activities. Whatever water is present in lakes and rivers, due to human activities, we are only polluting. So we cannot say that it is fresh water. Although this amount of water is enough for the mankind to be survived, but nowadays we are polluting it in such a way that we are creating problem for ourselves, and nowadays we are suffering with water crisis. Although this percent of water is enough for our daily use if we judiciously use the water, but if we don't use the water judiciously, so definitely water crisis is going to be created. And nowadays water crisis can be seen everywhere during summer days. You can hear that water table has gone down. What is water table? Water table is the level below the earth crust from where the groundwater is available. That is called water table. So during summer days the water table falls down. That means you have to go much deeper to get the fresh water. So that for that time water crisis has been created. Another reason is cutting down of trees. If we are going to cut down large number of trees, definitely there will be less rainfall and we will suffer from the water crisis, that is fresh water will not be available. So these things are there later on in the chapter. In detail I will discuss all these things. Today my topic is only about distribution of water, that I have shown you by this diagram. So you have to remember that what percentage of water is present where and how to use it. So thank you for today. Okay.